Q8123. When starting a turbine engine, A. A hot start is indicated if the exhaust gas temperature exceeds specified limits. B. An excessively lean mixture is likely to cause a hot start. C. Release the starter switch as soon as indication of light-off occurs. The correct answer is A. If the engine starts, but the exhaust gas temperature is higher than expected, it is a hot start. Q8124. In the dual axial-flow or twin-spool compressor system, the first stage turbine drives the A. N1 and N2 compressors. B. N2 compressor. C. N1 compressor. The correct answer is B. A twin-spool turbojet engine's first-stage turbine powers the high-pressure compressor. The N2 compressor is the name of the second compression stage. Q8125. Which of the following may be used to mark turbine engine components exposed to high temperatures? A. Grease or wax pencil. B. Layout die. C. Graphite lead pencil. The correct answer is B. Materials used to designate the parts in a turbine engine's hot section must be carefully selected to prevent them from contaminating the metal structure when it is exposed to high temperatures. It is not advisable to use products containing carbon, such as lead pencils and wax or grease pencils, which will induce granular embrittlement and breaking. Chalk, professional felt tip markers, and layout color are typically acceptable. Q8126. When starting a turbine engine, a hung start is indicated if the engine A. Exhaust gas temperature exceeds specified limits. B. Fails to reach idle RPM. C. N1 is normal, but N2 is low. The correct answer is B. A hung start refers to a situation during the starting process of a turbine engine where the engine fails to reach idle RPM. In a successful start, the engine should go through a series of stages, starting from ignition to acceleration, and eventually reaching the idle RPM range where it stabilizes and is ready for further operation. If the engine fails to reach the expected idle RPM range and remains at a lower RPM or stalls during the starting process, it indicates a hung start. This could be due to various factors such as insufficient fuel flow, ignition problems, or abnormal engine conditions. Q8127. What are the two basic elements of the turbine section in a turbine engine? A. Impeller and diffuser. B. Hot and cold. C. Stator and rotor. The correct answer is C. The stator consists of stationary blades, or vanes, which are designed to guide the flow of the hot gases coming from the combustion chamber. The stator blades are fixed in position and do not rotate. Their main function is to convert the high-velocity kinetic energy of the gases into useful mechanical energy. The rotor, on the other hand, consists of a set of rotating blades or vanes. The rotor blades are attached to a central shaft, and their main purpose is to extract the energy from the hot gases by converting it into rotational motion. This rotational motion is used to drive the compressor and other components of the engine. Together, the stator and rotor form a highly efficient system for converting the energy of the hot gases into useful mechanical work, which is then used to power the aircraft or drive other systems.